never had a purity ever in my life. Every time I'm gonna get one, I never do. So I'm about to get some halal food. I ain't had this in a minute. They had chicken over rice. Oh, look at the price. Hello. Oh, hi. Chicken over rice, lamb over rice. Yeah, right here. I just have chicken over rice. Chicken over rice, please. A little bit of white sauce, light. Yeah. Probably salad, right? Yeah, I don't want a lot of white sauce. I ain't never like that white sauce. Like that. It's $5. I'm hungry. Damn, $5. Oh yeah, it's been a minute since I had this. This is on 5th Avenue. I had this in, the last time I had this when I was in Brooklyn. I think it was when I was working downtown Brooklyn. Home break. I got a hot dog place over there. The nuts. Something's on every block. Tomorrow is Friday. Finally Friday. My food. But it feels light, like it's not enough rice. And I'm hungry, so it better be a lot of rice in there. I'm not hungry. I'll bring this shit back. I'm joking, I'm not gonna bring it back, but I hope it's a lot of rice. I love rice. I keep forgetting that my job is not that far. I'm second time walking past. Like, what is wrong with me? Anyways, let's tear this food up. So we're gonna see how this food is tasting. Like I said, I never had it on mushy sauce. Can't give me enough rice. $7, so I ain't getting enough rice. Listen, if I was in Brooklyn, this would have been full. Look at that. Look at the space right there. This should have been full. It's not even full. It's good. I think that curry chicken. It's a curry chicken. These are OD with the white sauce, so I'm glad you asked me. I'm like a light. I didn't get too much white sauce. I don't even know what to do. I think it's ranch. I want to ranch on wings or salad, but for some reason it tastes good on this chicken. I don't know. So it's 5:30 and I'm still at work. Ask me why. I don't know. I'm supposed to leave at 5 and I'm still here. I've been here since 9 o'clock. Stop playing with me. If they think I'm staying here till 10 o'clock and I'm coming to work tomorrow, if I work till 10, I am not coming to work tomorrow. I hope they know that. I'm gonna let them know too. Like, how you not have somebody to fill in? Like, I never had this problem because usually the guy be here, but now they're telling him he got to be vaccinated and stuff, and he not trying to get vaccinated, so they told him he can't come to work. They told him he can't come because now he's being mandatory. This place I work at want to make sure everybody that's working here is vaccinated, so he was taking a test and stuff, but now it's not enough. They want people to be vaccinated. I have a class. I can't even move from here because students gonna start coming in. Well, one came in already. All the students gonna start coming in, so I can't even move from here. I gotta leave. Look. Just some bullshit. I have plans after work to do some of the self-care for myself. Like, I was planning to go home and wash my hair. That's all I wanted to do was wash my hair. Because it's been 3 weeks. 3 weeks. It's been 3 weeks. So yeah, I might need to be washed. That's what my plan today. Like I said, if I stay until 10, I ain't coming to work tomorrow. And I'm gonna use Friday to wash my hair. Coming to work tomorrow, I start at 10 and I'm getting up at 6. By the time I get home, I mean, I have time to wash my hair, but who wanna go home and wash their hair on a Friday night? Not me. So, but look at, hold up, look at this wax thing of Rihanna in Germany. They don't play my girl. They play her. How dare you? That's not even how her legs is. This is not Rihanna. Like, stop playing. Stop playing with her. They done messed up my plans, man. They look nice because they were all one of them people. They've been here from 9 o'clock. And they would have walked out. Like, nope, I ain't doing it. Nope. I was gonna check my supervisor. Like, I talked to her since 5 o'clock. Like, girl. I text her. Like, let me know what's going on. Oh my god, it looks so good. But these are food that break me out. So, but that looks so freaking good. So, sweet, sweet Jamaica. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. I love my grandmother all the way. She always found a way. Mama too. Oh, Julio, you're back. Oh shit! So I came back.
I'll take over that, Annie.
I wanted to go to Macy's to go pick up my package because all of them is ready to be picked up, but I don't have a bag. And Macy's not gonna give me a bag. Well, I have to pay for the bag. I have so many bags at home. I don't even want to go there and go pay for a bag. I'm not even gonna lie. If I was sent for a bag, you know what? I think I'm gonna just go get it and get it over with. I don't want to go downtown when it's Saturday. I'm gonna go pick it up. Stop being lazy, girl. Should I say stop being cheap? Stop being cheap because you don't want to go pick up. You don't want to pay 5 cents for a bag. But I have so many paper bags under my mattress though. My hair look crazy right now. Going on the train. You look nice. You look nice. Look at these. Those are men. You know, I never had a purity ever in my life. Every time I say I'm gonna get one, I never do.
I don't know, I guess I'm just over it.
I wanted to get for my son. Oh, yeah. in the UGG store and I'm like, I don't know if you get it. So that's another one that I like. I'm gonna pick this up and go home because I gotta wash my hair. It smells good in here. I'm in the perfume section. Smells good. Thank you. Hi. Ooh, look at these. I'm back in Macy's, guys. Picking up my order. It's not bad. They have different colors. So freaking cute. They have that. Not for $80. Oh, I'm gonna buy one. You look cute. Smells so good. White diamonds. That's the best one. I'm gonna get this myself. I'm gonna get this myself, but this smells so good. Burberry. Some of these colognes don't smell good. Not because they name brand. They don't smell good. The last name brand smells better. I'm just mad they don't have Rihanna in here no more. Because if they had Rihanna, I would have bought it. This is cute. It smells good. Something smells good over here. Oh, this is the one for 200. Mademoiselle. Chanel Mademoiselle. It's so cute. Picking up my order. I have 3 online orders to pick up.
Okay. It's all in this order?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have to get this one first and then we could do the second one. But I see 3.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure these are right, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You have your ID with you?
Yeah.
Here you go. I'll be right back.
Okay. I have my orders, all of them, all 3 of them, all 3 of y'all. But I'm about to go get me that my hair looks so crazy right now. Whatever. I'm about to go get me the white diamonds. Macy's got the Uggs. They got purple ones and red. Oh, it's right there. I didn't even see that one. Here it is. That should look big. Same price, $150. I need the long ones. If I'm gonna buy Uggs, I need the long ones like this. Look at my foot can keep worn. Because it's $152. Because I had a pair of Uggs and it was short. And I'm telling you, I only got one rip in the Uggs and I put it in the what's that being called? It was this one I had. Well, not really this one, but something like this one, the short one. I put it in the clothing bin that be outside. Donate. If I knew I could have fixed, I don't know why I didn't think about fixing it. I honestly never like how it looked at my feet. My feet look big and look really doofy. I never really liked it. I'm not gonna lie. For $67, I'm gonna buy myself this. This is gonna be my Christmas gift for myself. Because I only have one cologne, and that's the Rihanna cologne that I had for years. Okay? I'm gonna get this for myself. Come with me, let me go pay for it. I wanna smell this.
Even, okay? Go ahead and enter your card.
Okay. Can I smell this? The YSL?
Which one?
This, the
Black Opium?
No, the Paris.
Yeah. This is a $10 gift card that you can use starting tomorrow until Christmas Eve. Just the 1 week, okay?
Okay.
But it's a $10 gift card.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Your receipt's in there.
All right.
Oh, you want another one?
Yeah. How you pronounce it? Montpellier?
Montpellier.
Okay.
Which one did you want to smell? No, I heard a pair though. Okay.
Thank you.
Come around over here.
It's alright.
$29.
Maybe that's not what I was smelling. But yeah, okay, I'm out of here. The other that I want is 170. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it, to be honest. Cause let me go home and wash my hair. So I was finishing up a video. Like I literally just finished edit the video. And today is Tuesday, December 31st. I mean 21st. And my package came. Yeah, I started sending my orders to my job. Like I'm not playing with them until they at my home. So Nova. I'm not gonna open it. No, I'm not gonna open it. But yeah, so I just wanted to say that. But don't forget to like the video. Please like my video, then please. Me a beg or no. Yes, me a beg or no. Like the video. Like the video, please. But see y'all.